वेलकम टू माय चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे अबाउट हेरिडिटरी हीमोक्रोमेटोसिस। सो हेरिडिटरी हीमोक्रोमेटोसिस is a hereditary condition that is characterized by increased deposition of iron, increased deposition of iron throughout the body. So iron is deposited in different organs of the body. The important organs that are involved are liver, pancreatic islets, then endocrine glands, then joints and heart. So these are the organs where iron is primarily deposited when the levels of iron increase more than 10 gram in the body, or simply where we say when it increases from more than 100 micrograms per deciliter. Now what is pathophysiology? Actually what happens that there is excessive absorption of iron from the gut. So iron is absorbed more and more from the gut. The reason behind this is there is actually single point mutation in the HFE protein at position 282. HFE protein has single point mutation at 282 number amino acid, in which there is substitution of cysteine to tyrosine, and this results in increased iron absorption from the gut. So clinical features of this hereditary hemochromatosis are iron overload are mostly seen in men of age more than 40 years, and there is hepatomegaly, there is leaden gray skin pigmentation due to damage to pancreas. There is diabetes, also known as bronze diabetes, because it is related to bronze colored skin pigmentation. Then impotence and libido and testicular atrophy, etc. These occur because of deposition of iron in these organs. And there is arthritis that involves the unusual sites. So arthritis that involves the unusual sites is a clinical manifestation of hereditary hemochromatosis. Then cardiac failure and cardiomyopathies can occur. Cardiomyopathies can occur. For detection of this hemochromatosis, we detect serum iron levels, and as I have told you that these iron levels should be uh, above normal level, and these may reach up to 100 microgram per deciliter. Then other investigations are total iron binding capacity, that is also decreased, and ferritin levels in the blood are increased. Ferritin levels in the blood are increased. MRI can also be done MRI can also be done for detection of iron overload in the liver. And hepatic iron index is a quantification of liver iron. Hepatic iron index quantification of liver iron is also used to detect the level of iron in the liver. Now, how we manage this condition? Management is very simple. We do venesection, that is, we draw blood almost 500 ml that contains 250 milligram iron, and it is done every week. It is done every week so that iron load is decreased, and it is done up to 2 years. This venesection decreases the iron levels in the blood, as well as it relieves the clinical manifestations that are related to liver disease. But diabetes is not reversed. Diabetes is not reversed. And joint pain may increase or decrease. Joint pain may increase or decrease. Furthermore, we do screening for hepatocellular carcinoma because there is evidence that in some people there is underlying hepatocellular carcinoma that is the common cause of death in such people. Venesection reduces the risk of hepatocellular carcinoma also. So there is a quick recap. We talked about hereditary hemochromatosis, in which iron levels in the body are increased and deposited in the liver, pancreatic islets, endocrine glands, joints, and heart. It is more than 100 microgram per deciliter in the blood. So, what is pathophysiology? Actually, what happens from the gut, it is absorbed more and more, and it is seen in the point mutations in HFE protein at 282 amino acid level, in which cysteine is replaced by tyrosine, and iron absorption is increased in the gut. It is seen more common in men of age more than 40 years, and hepatomegaly, skin pigmentation, that is leaden gray skin pigmentation, and diabetes mellitus, impotence, and unusual osteoarthritis is observed. Then cardiomyopathies can also be seen. Serum iron levels are more than 100 micrograms per deciliter. TIBC, total iron binding capacity, is decreased, and ferritin levels are increased. shows MRI shows deposition of iron and macronodules in the liver. Then how we manage this? We do venesection. We draw 500 ml of blood every week, and it contains 250 milligram of iron, and it is done for 2 years at least. Liver disease symptoms are decreased by this venesection. Diabetes does not relieve, but other clinical manifestations of this iron overload are decreased. Joint pain may decrease or not, and we do screening for hepatocellular carcinoma because hepatocellular carcinoma is the main cause of death in such people because iron overload is treatable. But hepatocellular carcinoma, when it progresses to cirrhosis and other Last stage, when it is not resectable, then it leads to death. Thank you for watching.